Fresh cranberries tossed with brown sugar and orange liqueur, baked under a cobbler crust, finished with a buttery orange sauce. Sure, it's easy, but the real kicker, it is so scrumptious. How about a cranberry cobbler served with orange Marnier sauce? This dessert recipe is so perfect for the holidays, but then again, whenever you see a bag of cranberries in the grocery store, just pick them up, you'll be good to go. Better still, it's easy. Preheat your oven to 375, grab a 9 by 13 inch oven-safe baking dish. Grease it with butter, set it aside. You'll need 1 navel orange for the recipe. First zest it, then cut it in half and juice it. Although you can make this recipe using store-bought OJ, we think freshly squeezed is way tastier. Now grab that bag of fresh cranberries, give them a rinse, pluck away any shriveled or blemished ones, there's not too many. Then the cranberries go into a medium-sized bowl along with 1 cup golden yellow sugar, a 1/4 cup unbleached all-purpose flour, then half a teaspoon of ground cloves and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now I just want to say the spices in this recipe are really important. Prepare to be amazed. The flavor of this cobbler is outstanding. Let's get back to it. We're going to toss the fruit mixture up, then we're adding 3 tablespoons of that freshly squeezed orange juice plus 3 tablespoons of an orange liqueur. We're using Grand Marnier today. We're going to toss the fruit a little bit more, then spill the cranberry mixture into your prepared dish. We're going to add a teaspoon of orange zest. Let's say you'd rather not prepare this recipe with liquor, simply swap it out for an equal amount of orange juice, no problem. Next, let's make this cobbler topping. Let's start with the dry mix. 2/3 cup of unbleached all-purpose flour, add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and then that same stellar spice combo, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves and 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. Do a pinch of kosher salt, stir to combine. Now in a larger bowl, we have 8 tablespoons of butter at room temperature plus half a cup of golden yellow sugar. We're going to add 1 egg and also 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. We're going to combine using a hand mixer. Once all that butter mixes in, we're going to add the dry mix little by little. Before you know it, you have a rich, dense cobbler topper. Drop it by tablespoons, scattering it over the fruit mixture, then straight to the oven. We're going to bake for 30 minutes. Check out how fab this looks, all bubbly, fresh out of the oven. Gotta say, it smells pretty fantastic too, but now we gotta let it sit for 10 minutes to cool down a little bit. What to do with those 10 minutes? Let's make that orange sauce. To begin, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch in a small bowl. Add maybe 2 teaspoons of orange juice. We're gonna stir to dissolve the cornstarch. Now to stovetop. Small saucepan, moderate heat. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter, half a cup golden yellow sugar, then add half a cup of orange juice. Add 1/3 cup of orange liqueur, again swap it out with OJ if you'd rather. We're going to bring the sauce to a boil, then reduce to simmer, leave it to cook simmering for maybe 8 minutes. Then, right at the end, add that cornstarch slurry. We're going to stir to thicken such a nice, rich, buttery orange sauce. Ding, 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 bonus round, especially if you're serving this dessert over the holidays. Heavy cream in a bowl. We're going to whip it good and then add a spoonful of golden yellow sugar plus a splash of orange liqueur. Instant premium orange whipped cream. Love it. And now this. Spoonfuls of cobbler go onto dessert plates. We're gonna add a drizzle of that buttery orange sauce. Let's do a dollop of that whipped cream and a cranberry as a festive garnish. You are gonna love this easy show-stopping dessert recipe. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video and tons more on our dedicated YouTube channel. you can subscribe to it as well. And then finally, when a dessert is this beautiful, take a picture of it and post it on your favorite socials using hashtag #WeekendAtTheCottage on Pinterest, the Gram, and Facebook. Cranberry cobbler with orange Grand Marnier sauce. One bite and you'll know. This is so delicious.